channel. My name is Ingrid and I make handmade hair accessories like scrunchies, bows. So today we're making these little fleece bows with a alligator clip behind. So I was making some scrunchies last week, fleecy scrunchies, because they're really popular, but I've cut them the wrong size. But you can see here they're way too short. So I was thinking I wanted to do something else with them. So yesterday I had a little test and I made this little fleecy bow, which I think could be quite a nice seller at the markets, because at the moment a lot of fleecy furry things sell really well. So yeah, and it's like multicolour. Today we're going to sew all these up. There you go, here's the little label. I probably, for the next lot, I probably won't do that, but it's a nice little touch. Yeah, so let's sew all these up. And I also have strips to go around here. So I've just sewed all these strips, which I have not done inside out. I've just done the right way around, and then we'll flatten this around and put it around the bow. These are the bow bits. So I've just gone one side, just done a straight stitch, and then the other one I got a little opening. So I'm going to turn this around. I have done it quite small, I see, but let's turn that around. Yeah. So I'm just cutting the corners a little bit so you get a bit of a nicer finish to the bow. Oh, so much fluff. Okay, so now we're going to turn it around, which is a bit fiddly with some of them. I have a little tool to bulk it out a bit. I have no idea what it's called. There we go, we just got that. I'll do that with all of them. You probably just use your fingers to get the corners. Last one. There we go. That all turned over. So I'm now just gonna stitch this shut, this little opening, and stitch that shut. Alright, so we finished that, cut off the thread, so then we take one of the strips, I'm going to put it this way around, so you have the outside, no, the inside, you wanted the outside, so you do the other way around, and then you're going to stitch it here. There we go, so we stitched it like that. I'm going to cut it off like that. So now we've got the ugly side that way, and now we're going to flip it over. And there we go, a little bow. So you can choose what side you like to have at the front. I quite like this side, but I'm going to do them all a little bit different. And then we glue this one at the back, because this will be too thick to put it through, so it needs to be glued like this one. There you go. So we're now going to sew those together and then glue the hair clips on it.